Have you ever gazed at the stars and wondered what secrets they hold? Now imagine possessing the power to unravel these mysteries right from your backyard. Welcome to the world of amateur astronomy, a pursuit not confined to the echelons of academia or the high-tech corridors of space agencies. Often the most profound discoveries are made not by those with the most advanced tools, but by those with the most passionate hearts. This is the realm where curiosity meets the cosmos, where ordinary individuals make extraordinary discoveries. Amateur astronomy is not just about stargazing. It's about contributing to our understanding of the universe. It's about breaking barriers and democratizing science. And most importantly, it's about proving that the cosmos is not beyond reach, but right here, waiting to be explored by anyone with a telescope and a thirst for knowledge. Let's explore the top 5 astonishing discoveries made by amateur astronomers. Our first story takes us to the year 1967, where a young man named John Bortle made a surprising discovery. In the quiet solitude of the night, under the blanket of 1,000 stars, John Bortle was just another stargazer. His passion led him to scan the cosmos, not in search of anything specific, but out of sheer curiosity and wonder. On a clear, crisp evening, he noticed something spectacular, an object in the sky that seemed to blink when viewed from the corner of his eye. This object was a nebula, an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases. Nebulae are often vast and distant, but this one was different. It was as if it had its own rhythm, its own pulse. It would appear and disappear, blink, in and out of sight. John Bortle had discovered what is now known as the Blinking Nebula, or NGC 6826. This is not just any nebula, it's a planetary nebula, a type of emission nebula consisting of an expanding glowing shell of ionized gas ejected from old red giant stars late in their lives. But what made it blink? The unique blinking effect is actually an optical illusion. It's caused by the contrast between the bright central star and the surrounding nebula when observed from the periphery of our vision. This discovery, made by a simple stargazer, opened up a whole new chapter in the study of nebulae. Fast forward to 1993, and we come across a couple who had a passion for the stars. Meet Carolyn and Eugene Shoemaker, along with their colleague David Levy. These celestial enthusiasts weren't just stargazers, they were comet hunters, and their pursuit led them to an extraordinary find, the Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet. Shoemaker-Levy 9, named after its discoverers, was unlike any comet ever seen before. It was fragmented into a spectacular string of 21 pieces stretching across the night sky like a celestial pearl necklace. But what truly set this comet apart was its trajectory. This comet was on a collision course, not with Earth, but with the gas giant Jupiter. The significance of this discovery was monumental. For the first time in recorded history, scientists had the opportunity to observe the impact of a comet on a planet. The event, which happened in July 1994, provided invaluable insights into the composition of Jupiter's atmosphere, the force of impact, and the aftermath of such a colossal collision. More than that, the Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet brought home the realization of the potential havoc that celestial bodies could wreak on planets, including our own. It served as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of our planet in the vast expanse of space. This was a discovery that not only expanded our knowledge, but also reminded us of our place in the cosmos. In 2010, a Spanish dentist made a discovery that left the astronomical community in awe. It was Rafael Ferrando, a man whose day job involved fillings and root canals, but whose passion lay among the stars. With his amateur telescope, Ferrando spotted something unusual in the night sky, an object that would later be known as the P2010 A2 asteroid. This wasn't just any asteroid. It was an object that challenged everything we thought we knew about these rocky inhabitants of our solar system. You see, asteroids are typically silent, stoic travelers, but P2010 A2 was different. It bore a strange, X-shaped pattern of dust, something never seen in an asteroid before. It appeared as if something had collided with the asteroid, causing it to eject a plume of dust and debris. This discovery forced scientists to rethink their understanding of asteroids. They had to consider the possibility that asteroids could have complex dynamic behaviors, much like the planets they orbit. Ferrando's discovery prompted a flurry of research leading to new insights about the composition and behavior of asteroids. The P2010 A2 asteroid is a testament to the power of amateur astronomy. It's proof that anyone, even a dentist from Spain, can make a significant contribution to our understanding of the universe. Once again, an amateur astronomer had made a discovery that reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. These are just a few examples of how amateur astronomers have contributed to our understanding of the cosmos. But let's not stop there. Let's talk about the significance of amateur astronomy in the grand scheme of space exploration and research. We live in a time where the mysteries of the universe are not solely the domain of professional scientists and astronomers. Amateur astronomers, armed with their passion and curiosity, have a vital role to play. They bring a fresh perspective, often making observations and discoveries that professionals may have missed. These amateur astronomers from their backyards have discovered new celestial objects, monitored changes in known ones, and have even helped track potentially hazardous asteroids. Their contributions have been priceless, providing valuable data that furthers our understanding of the universe. Moreover, amateur astronomy has the power to inspire. It encourages public interest in science, fostering a society that values and supports scientific research. It reminds us that the universe is not just for the experts to explore and understand, but is a mystery that we all have a stake in. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember that you too can contribute to our understanding of this vast, mysterious cosmos. You don't need a PhD or a fancy telescope. All you need is a passion for the stars and a willingness to look up and wonder.